Mastering the pause, a key to understanding videos. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a simple yet essential phrase, pause a video. Understanding this phrase is crucial not only for following instructions but also for enhancing your English learning experience with videos. So, let's get started. When we talk about pause, we refer to temporarily stopping a process or activity. In the context of watching videos, to pause means to stop the video from playing without closing it or losing your place. It's like pressing a hold button on the action. Using the phrase is straightforward. If you're watching a lesson and you need a moment to take notes, or if someone calls you, you might say, "I need to pause the video." It's an action we associate with the spacebar on a keyboard or the two vertical lines on a video player. Pausing a video can greatly aid language learning. It allows you to stop and reflect on what you've just heard, repeat difficult phrases or sentences, look up new vocabulary. It's a powerful tool that puts you in control of the pace of your learning. I hope this explanation helps clarify what it means to pause a video and why it's a valuable feature for language learners. Remember, taking control of how you watch educational content can significantly enhance your learning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.